Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on bell icon to keep updated with my latest videos.
Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I'm Sagrika and I'm back with some new tips and tricks for you. And today in my video, I'm gonna tell you how to get fairer skin. Fairer skin? Is it really possible? So girls, I've watched many ads of fairness cream claiming that they will give you fairness in 7 days. If you want my advice on those fairness creams, I'll say big no. Because nothing can change your complexion. Your complexion is given to you by God and nothing can change it. So I'll say to all the girls out there, please accept your complexion. Understand this thing, God has made only two complexion. If it's not white, then it's black. So be cool about it, be happy about it. And yes, of course, you can remove your tan and you can get your original complexion. You can get better glowing skin, but you can't get fairer skin in 7 days. So I'm not going to fool you by saying get fairer complexion in 7 days by applying this, blah and blah. There are million of videos on YouTube claiming that they can give you fairer skin whitening in 7 days, 10 days by applying this. No. I'm here being very genuine and blunt in front of you. I'm not claiming you that you can get fairer skin in 7 days, but you can get your original complexion back. You can remove your skin tan, you can get glowing skin, and you can get healthier skin than before, but not fairer skin. Sorry. So girls, let's start with my remedy, how you can remove your skin tan and can get your original complexion back and get healthier and glowing skin. And also before that, I want to say all the girls out there that please love your complexion, carry it well. Don't run after getting fairer complexion. Just love your complexion, be happy about it, be proud about it. And you know, all the complexions are beautiful in their own way, so you just need to know how to carry it, what's the right cosmetic for you. And girls, never ever go for cosmetic surgery or anything that can harm you in future. Just try natural remedies and carry yourself well. So let's start with my remedy now.
So let's start with it. So to get your original complexion back and to get beautiful, healthy, glowing skin, you need two ingredients. First one is coffee and other one is honey. I'm using Nescafe and Patanjali. So now let's see the ratio of both the ingredients. So to make this pack, you need 1 teaspoon of coffee. And then I have taken 1 teaspoon of honey and you have to mix it with coffee. And then again mix both the ingredients really well. So you can see I have mixed both the ingredients really well. And now let's apply this mixture on my skin.
So girls, don't forget to remove your makeup before applying this paste on your skin. And you can also wash your face with clean water. Then it will give you very good and nice results.
So girls, you can see I have washed my face and my paste is here. Now I'll apply this paste on my full face with the help of this brush. And I'll keep it for 15 minutes. You know, coffee has a lot of antioxidant properties which will make your skin healthy looking and glowing. It also prevents scars, acne, and will solve all your skin problems. And of course, it will work on your complexion. It helps you to get back your original complexion. And honey is really very good in every sense for your skin. It will remove all your dark spots. It has a lot of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. So both the ingredients really work well on your complexion. So apply it properly on your full face and keep it for 15 minutes. So girls, you can see I'm done. Now I'll keep it for 15 minutes and then I'll show you my results. Now I have washed my face and you can see the magic of these two ingredients. It has made my skin healthier than before. You can see the results.
So girls, I hope you really liked my today's remedy and you're gonna try this at home today itself, and you're gonna remove all your skin tan and will get your original complexion back and will get more healthier and beautiful glowing skin. And of course, after my motivational speech, you will not run after any fairness cream and you'll try this remedy only. So thank you so much for watching me. Now me, Sagrika, signing off. Bye, take care, love you all. And if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel.